Friends, many times we have our data spread across multiple CSV files and we need to merge or combine them to analyze data. So let's see how we can combine those CSV file in Excel using Power Query. Go to my screen. So as you can see, I have Bhav copies of multiple dates downloaded from NSC website. So it is CSV files. Okay, so let me open and let's see just one of the CSV file. So you can see there is a symbol, then open high low and timestamp. So basically timestamp is date. Okay. Okay. Now friends, I want to combine all these Bhav copies of multiple date into single and import it in Excel. Now let's see how to combine it or merge it. Open Excel and go to data tab, and in get data in the from file, you will find an option called from folder. Okay, let's click this. Okay, now here I need to browse the folder where all the CSV files are there. Okay, so I will browse the folder. Okay, let me copy paste this folder path directly. Okay, you can even do something like this. Okay, and let's click open. Now you would see Power Query window in a preview mode. Okay, so basically it has scanned all the CSV files inside the folder. Okay, and now let's click combine and transform. Okay, now this will open Power Query full-fledged Power Query window. Okay, let's click OK. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, so here basically it scanned all the folders and combined all the CSV files. Okay, now one thing you need to ensure that all the columns should be same and even the order of the columns should be same. So they should not be jumbled up. Like let's say in one file symbol is first and series is after that, or in another series is first, symbol is okay. This has to be harmonious among all the files. Okay, now we can see data from all the files. Okay, now some data sanitization. So some extra columns. So let me remove this. Okay, and in this process, Power Query also generated one more column called source name. Okay, so basically name of the file. Okay, this column denotes the name of the file. So let's say uh, if you don't have any reference of date and maybe the date is there in the name of the file, you can use this. But luckily in our example of Bhavcopy, we have a separate column of date in each CSV file. Okay, so I can very safely remove even this column and let's click close and load. So this will load, merge and load all the CSV file into this. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's verify the data. So if I go here, there are 26,910 rows. Okay, let me open any of the Bhavcopy file, like let's say, and let's check if we have all the data or not. So if I click, if I go press Control down, okay, 2,280. So that means 2219, 2279 rows. Okay, so definitely this Excel file has multiple uh, CSV file being merged. Okay. So if I go here in the timestamp, you can see you will find multiple dates. So 27th, 28, 29 July and even August. Okay, so in this fashion, you can merge multiple CSV file into single using Power Query. Only thing is to ensure that the structure of the CSV file, that means column, should be same. Okay, friends, now you might have one question that what if one more Bhav copy of another date, that is one more CSV file gets added to the folder. So if if you press refresh, will it get added to this list dynamically? Let's see. Okay, so I have Bhavcopies till 12th August 2022. Okay, so let's download one more Bhavcopy from NSC website. Okay, so I'll go to this NSC website, and the next date is 13, 14, Saturday, Sunday. Of course, it will not be available. 15th August, national holiday. So let's download it for 16th. Okay, let me download Bhavcopy. Okay, let me save this. Okay, and let's extract here. Okay, let's check now. Currently, there are 26,910 rows. Okay, so if I add one more Bhavcopy, approximately 2,000 more rows should be added. Let's check. So let's go to data and click refresh all. So ideally it should scan all the files, CSV files in that folder. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see 29,219 rows added. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Just keep on adding files in the folder and just simply press refresh all. After that, automatically it would be scanning all the files and merging it or combining it into the output. Lastly, I will say try this and let me know if you face any difficulty. So if you like this technique, do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel.